Hi everyone, I am Mr. Ng from Remiser Ng team. Okay, I'm a Remiser from Melaka Securities Muar branch, and this is my weekly FBMKLCI commentary. Okay, this is the third week of April, and I've been recording this in English for the maybe like second or third consecutive week lah. Okay, because I need to cater for English speaking clients, right, and viewers. So if my English is not so good, please I beg your pardon. All right, let me get started lah. Yeah. Okay. So how's the FBMKLCI going? Okay, it has been going pretty well lah. On last week, okay, our FBMKLCI give a positive, okay, bullish signal, bullish reversal signal, okay, which is a bullish engulfing candlestick setup. Okay, so I was saying that hopefully this week the FBMKLCI, if the trend is good, it will go back and challenge about 1,630 over point. But if not, at least it should be lah, okay, it should have a small retracement, then goes up back. So it did happen, yeah. Okay, roughly lah, I think this is roughly what I said in the last video. Okay, please check the previous video if you missed it, right? And so I'm going to share you what I think where the market is going to heading to for coming week. Okay, the next coming week, the FBMKLCI will most likely go back and challenge this 1,630 over point. This is a small resistance. Okay, and next we should go and challenge this 1,600 over point. But then it's not going to be easy lah. Yeah. Okay, I think this is a short-term bullish signal where most likely you'll see the FBMKLCI go and hit this 1,630 over point and make a small correction or consolidation here before breakout higher to challenge the next resistance. Okay, this is in fact a better movement lah. Okay, because every movement, uptrend and downtrend, they should be a small correction before the new trend starts, right? Be it a minor or a major move. Okay, the price should behave in that way. Okay, and if we refer to the MACD and the RSI below, okay, there is a reverse, there is a signal, okay, positive signal that the trend might hit above. So this is good. Okay, and RSI also above 50 right now, so it's pretty good lah. Okay, if we refer to a weekly chart, then maybe not so good lah. In the if you refer to the indicator, but let's just focus on the daily movement, and it is possible to see 1,630 over point next week on the coming week lah. Okay, move on to next commentary. Okay, in the previous YouTube video, okay, I covered on technology, property, and construction, so I'm going to continue commenting on technology again. So I still think that the tech sector is not really that strong. Okay, I know that there are many individual stocks actually break out from previous high. Okay, if you trade them and make some profits, I have to congratulate you again lah. Okay, because you make some money from there, and it's good. Okay, don't just get affected by what I commented here, because I'm speaking from a bigger trend perspective, where the technology sector is actually in a correction phase, but then for short-term movement, okay, it is possible to see the tech index to hit the recent high in February and March, about 90 over point here. Okay, about 90 over point here. And if they manage to break out, okay, if the index manage to break out and form a strong uptrend, is good lah. If not, maybe it's safer to trade in short term. Okay, and why I say short term is a bullish signal, because in the weekly chart, the price went up, then it goes into a small correction. So it's most likely to see another small bull run to challenge the previous high. This is for tech. Okay, but if you refer to MACD signal is already crossed down. You can see the blue line, the MACD line crossed down the signal line already. So this is an early sell signal. Okay, doesn't mean that the price will come down immediately, but it is telling you something lah. Okay, this is why I've been saying technology sector, be careful. Okay, now we moved on to property. Okay, on the past week, I mentioned that it is possible to see the property sector to go into correction, and it did happen lah. And why? Because we are at the resistance area. So last week, okay, property closed lower. Okay, it goes back to the 2 weeks low, 2 weeks opening price lah. So considered supported lah. Okay, still around the big rally here in like what, second week of March. Okay, second week of March, the property index, okay, went up from 704, 705 towards 760 point, which is about 8%. Okay, and it keep going higher and reach about 11 to 12% in the following 4 weeks. Then now it just comes back down for about 3% over. So it's a healthy correction. It's still a healthy correction. And maybe if this support is strong enough, okay, then we will see that the price hover around here, probably for 1 to 2 weeks. Then it hit, continue to challenge the recent high about 780 point. Okay, if the trend is very, very strong, then we might see that coming week lah, it might just go back and challenge this already. But just let's just keep this in our monitor list lah. Any property stocks that you are trading or you are monitoring, hold on first, or you can buy on support. It's up to you. Okay, for construction, I've been saying that it's worth noting lah, because it might just break out from here. Okay, I thought last week the construction sector might have a meaningful breakout, but it didn't happen. So let's just continue monitoring it for upcoming week. Okay, it might go and challenge this 210 point-ish, about 10% upside. It's pretty good, yeah. Index, if the index go up for 10 over percent, we can easily see 20 to 30 over percent stocks, percent movement for individual stock. Okay, like IJM. IJM is one of the what do we call it? Construction stock, and IJM already break out. Yeah, okay, break out from this small resistance. Okay, and from here to here about 6%, then up to current closing price about 12%. So before the construction sector, the construction index actually moved up, IJM already started the trend. So it is possible to see IJM to hit this range about 25-26% when the industrial index started to break out. And who knows, if IJM trend is really strong, right, it might just go up to above 250, which would give you about 40 over percent to 50 over percent. If you already buy in around 180 lah, if you buy in around this $2, $2 ringgit, then we get about 40%. This is the max, I think. But market is a wonderful place. Anything can happen. So it might go higher, we don't know. Okay, and another stock that worth noting also is Kim Lun. Kim Lun, if not mistaken, is a construction stock as well. So it already break out from the resistance with good volume. Okay, take note of this. This is a very good movement. So Kim Lun, if the construction index continue to break out from the current resistance, we might see another 20% upside from current closing lah. Okay, if from this resistance it is about 30%, which is very good. Okay, and who knows, if the trend very crazy, can go up to 135, 140, then we get about 50% return. So these are the few stocks that worth noting lah. Alright, move on to healthcare index. Okay, I actually commented on the growth stocks on April 8 lah. Okay, hopefully some of you actually caught the growth stocks movement. Okay, so right now healthcare have a small breakout from the downtrend. Okay, but it's not really that small because the volume very strong. Okay, so I am expecting okay, what I was doing just now was drawing a downtrend line. Okay, so already breakout. We are in a very small bull run for this healthcare index. So where is the next resistance? For this healthcare index, the next resistance, the big one should be around here lah, 3,500 point lah. Okay, but the nearer one should be around here. Okay, almost every level has a resistance. So 3,200 point, 3,260 over, 50 over point, then 3,400 point. Okay, 3200, 3250, 3400, and 3487, 348 something, 3,500 over point. So these are the potential resistance, potential upside lah. Okay, if they're really so strong and happen. So the max that I am looking at is about 10% from current movement, from current latest closing is about 9 to 10%. If we look at this 3,000 point over, from bottom to top is about 16%. So you count it lah. Okay, if the index go up for 10%, we can see easily 20 over to 30% in an individual stock. Okay, depending on the stock size also lah, like Top Glove. Okay, I actually mentioned it on April 4th. Okay, hopefully some of you actually traded it. If you traded from 5 ringgit lah, you already have 10% in your pocket lah. Paper gain lah, yeah. If it goes up back to this resistance level around here, you have about 30%. If not, you buy in on Monday. Okay, if the trend is still good, and you buy in Monday and it continue to go up and hit the resistance and you sell it, you got like 20% return, which is very good. Okay, but then those who traded on K Plus, when I commented it on April 8, I recommend it about 160 over or somewhere lah. You got about 10% already now. Okay, if you're still holding, you got like what? 30 over %. But if you caught the movement when it's way below, when it started 130 over, you already have 50 over %. So you see, when the index, when the healthcare index is just started to move, it just moved around what, 9 to 10%. And K Plus, this is consider a small cap lah. Okay, it move up already. The movement already more than 50%. So crazy. Okay, So if you traded below and really hit all this 240 and 280 over percent, wow, if the price hit 280%, you got like 100% gain. So for traders lah, don't be greedy lah. For me, I will sell. Okay, I will sell lah. I wouldn't try to take my luck. I mean, I wouldn't try to bet that the price can go over. If it goes over, I will buy lah. I will buy more. Okay, I will add position and to buy even if after I sold it. Okay, even after I sold it, I might buy it again if the trend is very strong. But then I will never buy in the original full position that I bought in below lah. Okay, so this is for healthcare. And if you look at plantation sector, okay, if someone were to ask me on plantation index, it's a bit weak lah. Still in a downtrend correction phase, so not worth mentioning for now. But doesn't mean that the individual stock cannot buy. Sometimes the individual stock still on the uptrend. Okay, industrial product. If we look at the industrial product index, it's still good. Okay, still good and showing you a potential uptrend signal already, right? So industrial product looks promising for telco. Okay, after the Axiata and Telenor DG announcement, merger announcement, the price gap up. Okay, but then right after the gap up, you see since last Monday until Friday, the price actually dropped back to where it started lah. Okay, so it's still around this support level. But then the movement won't be so wonderful lah, I think. Let's keep this in the monitor list. And for transportation, it looks weak. Okay, it turned weak already lah. It already turned weak, the movement. Okay, so for now, maybe transportation not worth trading as well. That's all. The chances not so good. Utility sector also the same. Consumer product also a bit weak. Goes back to the previous support level. And the worst of all is this, I shouldn't use the word worst of all lah. The index or the sector that not really worth trading is FBMAs, the A's board stocks. Okay, doesn't mean the second board stocks are not worth trading. No, it's just that the chances is low. The winning rate is the not there, very low rate. And I think, okay, I think everyone knows why lah, because all the super penny stock, few cent stocks flare up them a lot in this few months time. Okay, many super penny stock suddenly become superstar. Now all breaking down already. Okay, and it hit the support level right now lah. This is the support level. But the next support level is here lah. And how much is the downside? From here, another 15%. From top to current is about 20%. And if we hit lower, it's about 30%. So you imagine how bad the A's market, the penny stock can go. Okay? Or like AEM, from top to bottom went down for 70% already. Okay, and how much it started to move up? From where it started to move up? Here lah, 80 over percent. Go to 20 over percent. Wow, 180%. So good profit. So when you see this kind of super penny stocks all start moving up, it's better to be careful. Okay, it's your money. Don't play. Okay, that's all for this week's FBMKLCI commentary, English version, and I hope you like it. Okay, I try to speed up my commentary to save your time, okay, and also to save my own time lah. Alright, so hope you enjoy it, and I wish you all the best trading the market. Okay, the sector that worth noting is construction, plantation. No, it's not plantation. It's construction, healthcare, industrial product, And for property, it's still in the correction, but still worth noting lah, yeah. So all these are pretty good. And if you are asking me on the FBMKLCI, hello, it's good. Alright, it's good. It's showing you a potential bullish signal. Okay, it might just go and challenge 130 point. Then 1,630 point. Then challenge this 1,680 over point or 1,700 point. But 1,700 point not so easy. So to conclude, that's all for today. And I hope you all like it. Good luck trading. Bye.